It is becoming increasingly clear that the Akhilesh government is attempting to shield the accused. The accused BJP and BSP MLAs are roaming around freely.
कड़ी से कड़ी सरकार की तरफ से कार्रवाई होगी। कोई कितना बड़ा भी रहे, कहीं भी भाग जाएं, सरकार उन्हें खोजेगी और उनको खिलाफ कार्रवाई करके उन्हें जेल भेजाने का काम भी सरकार की तरफ से होगा।
Empty, hollow words of assurance that mean nothing because the reality on ground is very different from what the UP government projects. The strife-torn district of Muzaffarnagar is far from normal. Yet the Akhilesh government has been quick to push back the additional security forces deployed in view of the recent clashes.
जिम्मेदार लिए सीधे सरकार है, प्रदेश और केंद्र की सरकार है और उसमें बहुजन समाज पार्टी भी जिम्मेदार है क्योंकि उनके भी सब विधायक सांसद लोग उसमें सीधे इन्वॉल्व हैं।
The UP government might have finally woken up to the crisis, but for the residents of Muzaffarnagar, their actions now hardly count for anything, at least till the men who incited the violence are brought to book. But if the Chief Minister's own words are anything to go by, then the hate mongers will have a free run for at least the next 2 months, till the Judicial Commission constituted by Akhilesh Yadav submits its report.
Initial phase was devoted totally to rescue of the victims. Then relief was a major exercise because about 41,000 people in so many relief camps had to be provided with all those facilities. And then the new cases were being detected and the law and order situation had to be controlled.
First, the SP government refused to even acknowledge the gravity of the situation, and now they have come with the Judicial Commission excuse. Akhilesh's political match-fixing seems to be getting increasingly clearer now. Bureau Report, Times Now.